What is up, Unbox It All fam? We are back at it, ladies and gentlemen, once again. As you can see, it's soaking wet out here. We're at the paintball fields. And these clowns, let me zoom in on them. These clowns still want to play. This is the obstacle course, ladies and gentlemen. And they are about to get at it. Let's see how long this lasts. Bringing it to you, Unbox It All, paintballing going wrong. Let's see, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Got a little duck off action going on right here. Somebody on the move right there, right there. Got the referee over here holding the garbage can. That's one course, ladies and gentlemen, that's going on right now. And yes, it is pouring down raining. Back off in the distance, I don't know if you probably can't see it, but I know you hear it. Yeah, they got some clowns playing back there too, as you can see. Soaking wet, yes, once again. Just to give you guys a quick video, yes, it is pouring down out here. I don't know what to say, Unbox It All fam. It couldn't be me. But just to give y'all a view, this used to be a field back here. They've just taking this one down. They're gonna put a kiddie field up behind me over here. But I just wanted to give y'all a look at these fools, man. Out here, paintballing going wrong. Unbox It All. Take a look one more time, ladies and gentlemen. As y'all can see, nobody wants to move forward. Everybody just staying stagnant. And it's raining cats and dogs out here, ladies and gentlemen. All right, Unbox It All fam, it's your boy Tori. We are out of here. Paintballing going wrong. Another episode. Unbox It All. Thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Just wanted to give y'all a quick video of the foolishness that we're doing today. As you can see, your boy's not out there. Unbox It All fam, we out. Tori. I don't know what to say, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna give y'all one more look at these fools. And look at these clowns back here. Look at these clowns. Look at these clowns back here. Like, comment, subscribe, Unbox It All fam. Let me know if y'all play paintball in the rain. Unbox It All, we out.